What's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Today I'm bringing a new product review from a company that I've already reviewed, the video doorbell. This company is Blurams. Blurams make fantastic home security cameras, and over the past month I've been trying a lot of their products. I gotta say I'm absolutely in love with a lot of the features that are included with Blurams compared to other security cameras. The product I'm reviewing today is Blurams Smart Pan and Tilt camera, which is pretty fantastic. It allows you to see different angles and to rotate the camera to capture different perspective while having the camera stream live. Couple unique thing about this camera here, it does have a pet detection, human detection. It can function as a baby monitor. Also, what's really cool, it has a two-way audio, 2K resolution, which is tremendous. Two-way audio, has the night vision, and for no extra cost it does have the human detection feature, which is something I find with Blurams. They do give you a lot of features compared to the other security camera companies out there where you have to pay extra to get those features. This is a pretty small design camera, low profile. I'm gonna unbox it and check it out. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. This is another camera I will be giving away to a subscriber of this channel. So if you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below and I will be picking a random subscriber and giving this product to that subscriber. So stay tuned. Let's check this camera out and I'll announce the winner of the giveaway on a later video. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this camera out, unbox it, add it to the app, and check out some of the features included with Blurams security camera. Alright, so here are my final thoughts on the Blurams Pan and Tilt 2K camera. There is so many of these cameras on the market, but one thing that stands out with Blurams is the ability to access features for no cost. This is one of the few cameras on the market that has the hidden micro SD slot that allows you to record all your events and store directly on the micro SD slot for free. Other options here, there's lots of human detection options. There is that feature on the camera where you can activate an alarm. So if someone's trying to steal the camera away, you can set the alarm. The siren is pretty loud. You have the two-way audio. You have the timeline, which is a really nice layout where you can access the timeline of events. Audio is really good. There's a little bit of lag. And I've noticed this on Blurams product, a little bit of lag from the time an event is triggered to when the event is pushed to your phone. Blurams is a newer company in the space of home security system. The company is now bringing a lot of their products to North America, and I know they will be very successful because they're offering more to customers. So if you're interested in any of the Blurams product, I do have a coupon code in the description. Use the coupon code, you get a tremendous discount on any of the products inside the Blurams website as well as Amazon, and take advantage of these pricing that Blurams has currently, because as more people start using it, we know the pricing will go up because the demand is increasing. But this is a great company, highly recommend. This camera here, I give it a 9 out of 10 for its functionality, lightweight design camera. Highly recommend. I'm hoping in the future Blurams can come out with a battery version of this camera that gives you the same awesome pan and tilt 360 rotation, lightweight and great design, but also in wireless option, so that way you don't have to incorporate a cable to power the camera. That would be pretty cool. Think about it, Blurams, that would separate you from the competitor. But this is a great product. Hope you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And like I said before, I will be giving this camera away to a new subscriber. If you're thinking about getting a smart home or thinking about building a smart home or integrating smart products, make sure you check out all my playlists above there with all the smart products that I have on the channel. And make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll see you on the next video.